what's going on, guys? It is Jeb here, and today I am here with Minecraft Nate and Anthony. Anthony is actually gonna be part of the vlog squad. So,
isn't the vlog squad you, Nathan, and Michael?
Yeah. So it's not just us, but it's like 10 other people.
Oh, okay.
So, what we're gonna do in the vlog squad is just vlog. So, oh.
What?
Deer bone.
Oh, yuck. There's flies all around it.
So,
No, there's not.
I'll
Flies around here.
have a link to my TikTok down in the description below. And I'll have a link to all their channels in the description, plus the vlog squad.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So, we're actually just walking around these woods again. See if we can see anything. And since, if you guys already are gonna probably look at my TikTok, might as well just do this as a face reveal, right?
Might as well. Also, how you think like that before?
Please watch until the end, and I'll actually show you guys my face.
Really epic face reveal. It's getting pretty thick back here.
So I'm actually recording this straight off of YouTube. So the video is not going to be edited. So you guys know if we see anything, it's probably going to be real. Maybe. It depends if somebody's playing a prank on us, right? Like Minecraft Nate, he could always be, well, playing a prank on us saying, whoa, there's something over there. Or Anthony. So,
Hey, what's through there? What's through all of here?
that's the road. This isn't actually where it lives. Remember, this is where it used to live. So we're seeing if we can find the shadow creature.
Deer trash. Deer love running through here.
Hold
They
on.
even love it so much they shit here. Yeah.
I just got a splinter. Hold on. Wanna know the thing that sucks that I'm doing this? That I am wearing Crocs so sticks can go in.
Yeah. I'm wearing these heavy duty shoes. They're big. It looks like you're wearing a rough. Like you were tricked or something. That's fine. I'm gonna get some Cheetos out. No, I'm fine.
Okay, so if it was running away from something, it might be another deer, or it could be the shadow creature.
Maybe. Good old shadow creature.
What? Well, does it also look like a person? Minecraft Nate, let's wait for Anthony.
Oh, no, I gotta put my backpack on.
Okay.
Let's get back on the toes.
Anthony is actually the tallest one here, so yeah.
Where did Nate go?
Nathan?
What?
I'm gonna have to put in the title that they're swearing in this video. This is one of those old not door frames, but not steps.
Oh, we're back here. Yep, we're gonna go this way now. This was the second location we saw it at.
We actually didn't see it here. But there was a weird big clearing. Look at this.
We made this into a show, but it used to be a little bit smaller. It would cut off here, and that was pretty much the only way.
And there was actually a path. There is still a path going this way. You just kind of have to step over a log. But it's still kind of a path. Whoa! It's kind of like another clearing. But the trees are spaced. So this is kind of clear now. It's more clear here now, right?
Just deer food. Looks like they've been busy.
So if we do end up heading back to your house, Minecraft Nate, I am gonna have to cover up the camera because this option doesn't have like a pause.
Yeah, I don't know if it's the best decision to go there. Meet you guys back at the house. Really? And then I'll go back to the woods and we'll meet up there. Let's hope we don't get lost.
Ooh, actually I didn't get poked.
Wow.
Yeah, it's gonna stay.
So, Jeb, how's the recording going?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? You too. Well, over there is a good place to go. Next. Chilling? Or... Well, right now, I mean...
I actually need to set my phone down for just a quick second. Sorry guys, I had to set my phone down. I was putting something away.
I gotta throw this away. Yeah. There's garbage cans by my driveway.
So we're heading back into the woods, right?
I know. I guess so. But this time we're gonna go to a different woods. Okay.
Actually, I was thinking we could head up the deer hunting spot. Even though you can't hunt deers here.
You can. With a bow.
Well, with like a gun. Are we heading to right now? I was hoping we could climb up that thing first and see if we could find anything.
There's nothing that we're gonna find.
Well, I'm actually gonna quickly go inside and do the face reveal because this is gonna be at the end of this video.
Okay.
Come back for part 2 and... Is there anything on my face?
No, you should be good.
Okay, so are you guys ready? Yeah, this is me. Sorry, my hair is actually like that. I haven't got a haircut since before quarantine, so it looks like a bowl cut because my hair grew out like this. So yeah. Well, I'll see you guys in a few, maybe like, I don't know, 10 minutes. Depends on how long it takes to get there and how long it takes for this video to upload. Well, I'll see you guys in a few. Bye.